What is going on, everybody? Vitaly the Bean is here. Welcome back to another episode of today's In Crypto Show. Bitcoin is above $67,000 once again amidst the Bitcoin 2024 conference, and Donald Trump's speech is about to set up tomorrow. Now we're seeing some blood in the markets for Ethereum as dumping to $3,200 level. We'll discuss why is that. And the Solana ecosystem is very bullish and very pumping. I'm going to also show you one meme coin today that is set to explode, and why Bitcoin is on the way to over $100,000, which is going to be just the beginning for the Bitcoin price. We have a lot to talk about today. Let's get it started. So first of all, it's a green day. It's a good day for the entire crypto market as Bitcoin is up. It's right now trading at $67,250, and we have seen a very mega bullish signal on, it's called the hash ribbons signal, indicated buy signal, which means the miner capitulation, the miner selling has stopped, and now it's time for the bulls to step in. You know what happened when the last time this signal was flashed by? It was in August 2023 when Bitcoin was trading about $30,000. So now it's much higher than that. So we are seeing a very bullish signal, saying a buy signal flashing. So it's very, very bullish for Bitcoin. Now what's going on for Ethereum? You know, Ethereum launched its Ethereum ETF a couple of days ago, and Ethereum actually crashed a little bit, dumped a little bit over here from $3,500 all the way to $3,090. It's a 13% correction. Why is this the case? Why we are seeing Ethereum to Bitcoin plummeting right now to extreme low support levels over here? And that is one reason only, because Grayscale, Ethereum, ETHE Trust basically is charging 2.5%. So we're seeing over $1.1 trillion already outflowing because of this ridiculously high percentage points for the Grayscale to be holding money there, Ethereum. But this is just gonna be a short-term pain for Ethereum, as this is being bought up by BlackRock. I mean, look at this: $266 million first day, then 17 million, then 17 million. This is being bought up. So I see for Ethereum a bright future. I see a short-term pain, maybe for a week or so, and then it is gonna be ready for the pump, and it's going to be outperforming actually Bitcoin as well. So it's only a matter of time. Okay. So we're seeing BlackRock buys 1,090 Bitcoin every single day. Every single day. So it's absolutely crazy. Buy appetite for the ETFs. Most impulsive bull run in the history, as we are seeing a golden cross looming for Bitcoin, which never happened before, involving a moving average of 100 colliding with moving average of 200. And we only got close. We got it narrow, very narrow over here in 2016 to the 2017 level. But right here, we're literally coming into the cross, which means that Bitcoin can go higher and will go higher, very much likely. If you compare the bull market comparison of 2021, 2017, and 2013, you can see the red, the green, and the blue. You can see we're right here purple. We're actually day 99 after the halving, just day 99. And when do we see a top up? We'll see a top up around day 300 something, day 300 for the first one, and day 500 after the halving. So we have another 400 days likely for this bull run, which makes me very, very excited. We're gonna reach the targets of the last bull run. We're talking about 530. What is this? $440,000 the price of Bitcoin if we're gonna hit the previous target. But because of the law of diminishing returns, I personally do not see Bitcoin reaching that level. But what we wanna see, first of all, Bitcoin reaching $100,000. Why Bitcoin reaching $100,000? Because this is the next logical Fibonacci extension that we are seeing on the Bitcoin chart, okay, if we actually draw this Fibonacci extension, this is what we get it. This is the first level, but this is just the beginning. If you think the euphoria of Bitcoin is going to just top out at $100,000, well, you may be wrong. You may be wrong, because Bitcoin actually, I'll show you, just got a report, and in this report by VanEck, a Bitcoin price of $2.9 million in a bull case scenario by 2050. So VanEck released a report basically saying Bitcoin may settle 10% of international trade and 5% of local trade gain, with central banks holding it as a reserve asset. So think about it. We have this Bitcoin conference. You know, Trump is going to be speaking tomorrow, and if he announced that Bitcoin is a reserve asset and it plays out, that the central banks are going to be holding it as a reserve asset by 2050, we might see Bitcoin trading for $2.9 million. Now, their worst case scenario is $130,000 for Bitcoin. Their worst case for the 2050, right? So this is quite reassuring. If you look at the Bitcoin strategy platform, the 4-year cycle for the hodler's cheat sheet that represent one round is like one cycle. We are seeing that we are entering right now actually the call area. This is right here, we're entering the call area. Whenever we hit this green lines in the bull, okay, so we are in the calm area, before the optimism, before the belief, before the intermission. The top might be in thrill and euphoria. Euphoria is in the top, okay? So you gotta be careful about that. So we are yet complete the full cycle, of course, which is very, very exciting, okay? We see the Jersey City to buy Bitcoin for the city's pension fund, says the city mayor, and stuff like that. It just keeps happening and happening because of where we are in the Bitcoin cycle. So we have another president nominee in USA is saying he's a huge supporter of Bitcoin. He's very, very bullish on Bitcoin. He put most of his wealth into Bitcoin and he is fully committed. So that's exactly what he has said. And if he says he'd make if he would make it to the government, he would buy $615 billion in Bitcoin. Basically, he wants the United States Bitcoin reserves to match its gold reserves. Very, very bullish, although not likely that he's going to become the actual president. A new documentary that is called God Bless Bitcoin has been now available to view it entirely on Twitter, so I highly recommend it to do that and take the time on the weekend to do that. So this is pretty exciting. We have another company that is Assembler Scientific that is following the playbook for Bitcoin, just like the MicroStrategy. They already bought $58 million worth of Bitcoin and raising $150 million more. And basically, Metaplanet Assembler Scientific were zombies companies before, and now they're buying Bitcoin, not becoming zombie companies anymore, and their stock is actually increasing. So we are in the middle of the Bitcoin 2024, and the talks about, there's a Michael Saylor over there, gathering over here. We have Jimmy Song is over there, but he's criticizing the presence of and the focus of Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, right? This is not the essence of Bitcoin, but on the other hand, okay, this is exactly what brings the liquidity of trillions of dollars into Bitcoin. So anyone who is a holder of Bitcoin must have loved it, right? When it comes to the Ethereum, once again, we might see some short-term pain. Yeah, maybe one or two more weeks, maybe going lower, but I don't see it going too much lower over here for the Ethereum and going back up. Very likely what's to happen is going to be supported over here in the $3,200 price point, and then it's going to continue moving higher. So what do we have here? BlackRock foresees very little interest in crypto ETFs beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum. So right now their focus is on onboarding as much as possible Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin rebounding to $67,000 ahead of Trump's speech in Nashville tomorrow. And nobody really wants to short Bitcoin before the weekend. And direct client demand driving growth in BlackRock's BTFs. Ethereum is so far they're basically very bullish on Bitcoin. Now the other president, the Kamala Harris, is not showing up in the Bitcoin 2024 conference, and on that the Winklevoss brothers says Gemini founders said crypto industry will show no mercy in November because of this no show. In case that you missed this bullish news that Russian lawmakers passed bill legalizing Bitcoin mining, crypto payments for international trades. So of course they're trying to avoid the sanctions, but this is bullish for overall for the Bitcoin. And I love this clip. Check it out. If I ever get rich from crypto, I'm not telling anyone.
Ma douce France, pourquoi ces jamais tout recommence? Je suis connaisseuse importance.
It's funny. So he's actually parked his yacht, okay, and drinking this glass of champagne. Yeah. It's quite hilarious. But according to the stock to flow, Bitcoin daily stock to flow, and the price is about to hit the next level of $100,000. So this is very exciting. This is where the fun truly begins. We officially exiting the bear trap right now towards the renewed optimism, and then next to the FOMO, and then to the euphoria. So we have at least 3 more stages to pass over here. And for one meme coin for today, I wanted to share with you that I'm very bullish on. Is called the BRET. Okay, BRET is the #1 coin on the base ecosystem, and basically Pepe done very well. BRET launched in March this year, and it's already up significantly, 241%. If you measure from about 4 cents to 13 cents, it's already more than tripled in value, and it's available on the biggest exchanges like of course Uniswap, Bybit, Gate, KuCoin, BitGet, and others. So that is for BRET. I think it has a lot more room to grow, maybe an easy 10x from here, and that's what I want to share with you guys today. We see this preparation for what's coming, what's going to be next in the Q3 and Q4 of this year, and this bull market is very exciting. So that is for the roundup for the news today. When it comes to the crypto market, if you want to learn how you can take advantage of this crypto market and how you can reduce your risk to the minimum, basically risk off, and grow your wealth in a systematic way, then reach out to me. I'm going to share with you one strategy of how you can take advantage of this bull market run risk free. So with that being said, I'm super excited, and I'll see you in the next episode of today's in Crypto Show.